Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to play the Battlegrounds Mobile India and it shows match server response timed out, reconnect, and then I press OK. But now this time it shows match server timed out, please restart the game. So how to fix this issue? So before moving to our tutorial, first of all, why this error happening? So my point of view, this is 100% occurs due to the network connection lost or your DNS server is maybe not responding. So anyway, how to troubleshoot this issue? So at same time, if you use Wi-Fi connection, first of all check your Wi-Fi router if all the lights are glow in green color. So once you check it and then open your settings menu and then go to connection settings. So here you can click to access more connection settings. So now you can click to open private DNS and in my device this option is disabled, but you can select private DNS provider hostname and then type this following address. So once you enter this address and finally click to save these changes and close all the settings window. And one more time I try to access this Battlegrounds Mobile India. But friends, now this time you can see my Battlegrounds Mobile India is successfully logged in and also my character is ready to play. So anyway, if this trick works for you, just leave a one like. So otherwise, just put your valuable comments. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.